And so they're attached now to
Yep, just a
the doohickey thing here, and the orange, whatchamacallit, over there. Technical term.
You know, this is not going to make the Hensley Hitch instructional video thing. It's just not going to make it. This is Jim and Sharon with Drive to Ride, and this video is an overview of our installation of the Hensley Hitch. We talked about the Hensley Hitch and why we decided to go with this in a previous video, and so this is really just the video of our installing the thing. The Hensley Hitch has got some features that we liked, and those are discussed in the other video, so you might look at that if you haven't seen it already before you look at this one, or if you just like watching us fooling around installing new equipment. Here we go.
It's not so hard. You can do it, and we did it.
Yep,
All
we
by
can do
ourselves.
it. You can do it. A couple of tools and you're on your way.
So come along and see the video.
Yep. We didn't get all of the installation steps in the original video, so let me explain what we did first before the video picks up. This is the stinger you'll hear us talking a lot about, and you'll see that it really looks like it has two hitches that go into receivers, and that's exactly what it does. We'll take this one. This goes into the truck, just like that. So that's really the very first thing you do whenever you're installing your Hensley Hitch. The next thing is actually this guy. This big orange piece here, when it's shipped to you, does not have the struts, nor does it have the spring bars on it. And it's a pretty heavy piece of equipment. But what you'll do is take this and actually mount it right on here. That's the very first thing you do. So this will mount right into here. So now then what you've got is the stinger and the Hensley Hitch, the main hitch section, mounted on your truck. So then the third thing that's going to happen is that you're going to back this up on your truck, and there's actually a ball on this orange piece that's that the coupler on your trailer is going to mount to. So then whenever you have got all of this together, you're going to lock the coupler down onto the ball on the Hensley Hitch, and then you can actually back or pull the trailer away and complete the installation. So those are the first things that you'll do. You'll take your stinger, this guy, put it into the truck. You'll mount the main part of the Hensley Hitch onto the stinger, then you'll back it up underneath the coupler on your trailer, secure the coupler to the hitch on the ball right back here, and then you're ready to go with the rest of the installation that we do have video for. Yeah, they wanted it measured from the center of the ball. It's got to be 25.5 inches to the front of this plate.
Okay, putting grease on this mounting pin.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is where the jack is going to go.
The jack will be there. Using gloves to keep the grease off your hands.
Probably a vain attempt, but we'll try it anyway.
It's less messy that way.
Fully extend the jack by turning the hex nut at the top counterclockwise.
Alright, so you got the jack.
So we're turning it counterclockwise to fully extend it.
This is a jack.
So this is the barrel and it's towards the front, so that's right. Okay. Tighten it.
Tighten this little.
Mm-hmm.
So it was a little awl that tightened it.
Allen wrench.
Allen wrench. Oh, okay. I didn't know what to call this one.
This guy.
Yeah, this isn't too bad to put together.
Yeah.
Alright, so you're tightening that one, and that one's all tightened
Yep,
up.
these are all tightened.
So you can see there's instructions. Tells how to do it. We're up to spring bars right now. So we're getting there. Got this bar.
Yeah, if I thought the other ones were heavy.
Oh, the spring bars are heavy.
My gosh, these suckers are monsters.
Yeah. Wow. Spring bars are heavy. Alright, so what are you greasing now?
You have to grease.
The spring thing, spring bars,
Yep.
end. Okay. Which is underneath. What do you call that thing?
The hole.
Anyway, the orange thingy-bobby. There's a hole. The thingamajig, whatchamacallit. And the doohickey, whatever.
Yep, so that one's in.
So, one done. I got one more to go.
Yeah, that's a monster, isn't it?
Alright, more grease.
More grease.
For the other spring ball.
The other hole.
The other hole.
The
Yeah.
other hole. On the thingamajiggy to the whatchamacallit to the doohickey.
You got it. There you are. Yeah.
Isn't
Make
that
you a
fun?
technical writer.
Technical jargon. That's fun.
We are, yes.
We're having fun.
Certifiable.
We're fun. We're having
And
fun.
we've infected you too, by the way.
Well, that helps. Otherwise, you'd had black grease all over you by now.
Yeah, I've just got it over some of me.
Yeah. Anyway, there's another spot over there. He's getting it in. Can't take it exactly from here. Alright, she's in. So as you can see, spring bar is inserted. You got
So we're turning it so
turn
these 3 marks are just out. That's all they're saying.
Okay.
Just like that.
Alright, turn to it facing you.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what?
Let's see. Set the spring bar links using the coupler style chart. For example, if you have coupler style A, which we do, put the pin in the 5th hole up from the bottom of the link. Actually, lots of holes in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they want us to put it in the 5th hole. So we'll come up here like that. Okay.
Yeah, we only had 4 showing, and we couldn't figure out where the 5th one is.
Yep.
Take the pin out, and there's some more. Okay,
There are
so
more
now we
there.
figured that out. Hey. But as you see, it's horizontal to the ground. That's what it's supposed to be, horizontal.
Yeah.
Struts. Okay.
See, the struts we're about to install. So, yeah. See what we got to do here.
Yeah, okay. What do they call this thing again? A sleeve?
Let's see.
There's a pin that goes in there.
Yeah.
And so they're attached now to
Yep, just a
the doohickey thing here and the orange whatchamacallit over there. Technical term.
You know, this is not going to make the Hensley Hitch instructional video thing. It's just not going to make it, I'm afraid.
No.
Okay.
A picture's worth 1,000 words, so don't mind my words.
Yep.
Okay. That better?
Yeah.
Okay, how about this one? Is this one level?
No, it's not. I got to change that one to be the same.
Okay, yeah, it's off a little bit.
Let's check that. Just
Alright, so they want to be
I want it
level.
to be in the middle one.
Okay. So there's these 3 holes, if you can see. 1, 2, 3. So he wants to put it in the middle now. So we're a little bit not level, so we're going to move that. Okay. Pin in. Alright, so that's all set. And now it's level.
Yeah, the strut is supposed to be as level to the top of the frame as you can get it. So pick the hole that's closest to the level.
And there it
So there
be.
we are.
Hey. What are you doing now?
Okay, what we're doing now is that we are going to tighten the struts so that they are about the same distance,
Okay.
about the same length.
Okay, on either side.
And the way I'm
Alright.
going to do that is using the nuts. And I'm going to mark one side of the nut
Okay.
with a big X,
Mm-hmm.
and then I'm going to count the revolutions. So there's 1, 2, 7. Okay, at 7 revolutions, we have contacted the sleeve. All right, let's go over this side.
Okay. I'm going to go to the other side.
Many times.
All right, so you're marking the top.
Marking this one. Now we'll count this one. Looking for 7 revolutions.
Okay.
So there's 1, 7. All right.
Yay.
Well,
Okay.
now then you'll note that this one has not yet contacted the sleeve, which means
We're a little crooked.
that we're a little crooked.
Yeah,
actually.
we're not perfectly
We're
parked.
not. It's not perfect. Exactly right.
Okay.
Off to here.
All right, so we're going with the sleeve tightens it, and
Yeah, I guess like that.
okay, that's cool. All right. All right, we got power tools now. Woohoo! We're gonna drill holes. Yeah. Almost. Hey, we got contact. All right, so we're putting the bolts in the hole. The hole on the side.
Yes.
So, see, there's another hole there. And then we put the bolt in. So we got one on top, and we got one on the side. And we do that on both sides. They're called zerts, and we're supposed to grease the zerts in the orange thingamabob. So where they are is underneath. And they're hard to see, but there are zerts in there that we have to grease. We gotta get a grease gun. Okay, there's one.
To disconnect this,
Uh-huh.
what you'll do is come in here and take this pin out like that,
Okay.
and then you'll come in here and put this guy on there like that, and then this comes loose like that.
Oh,
See?
okay. And you do it to each side then?
To each side, yeah. And of course, we're still not
Yeah.
finished yet here, so we're going to put it all back, but that's how
Yeah,
it works.
that's how it does next.
That's it.
Awesome.
Just like that. Okay, so that was the installation of our Hensley hitch. Hope you enjoyed that. Found it instructive. Maybe it's something that you're going to want to try yourself. The Hensley hitch is a very good product. We've been very pleased with it. And as you can see, if we can put it on, then anybody can.
Anyone can
It'll
do
be
it.
fine. You'll be able to do it. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, we'd appreciate you doing so.
Yeah,
So
thanks.
until next time, thanks a lot. Our installation.
I have to do that one over. That's kind of noisy. Yeah, let's start again. Traffic, we're on the road.
Yeah, traffic. Hi, this is Jim and Sharon, and this is a video. Oops. Hi, this is Jim and Sharon. Let me start this all over.
Okay. Howdy, partner. Now you come along for the ride, and you come and subscribe, and, thumbs up. Hit that bell.